Hi, today I'm going to teach you how in Premiere you can edit multiple clips at the same time and then you can export them all at the same time. Say if you have a long sequence like this, say it's an album and you want to export each, you can export the whole thing like this. You press Control M, you can press Q and it will go into Media Encoder. So you go back to Premiere, you press the down arrow key to go to the end of the clip, then press your O key to make an out point and go back to the first one with an arrow key, press the I, then Command M, change the name of the video to whatever name you want, the name of the song, press Q, it'll send it over into Media Encoder. You want to make your in and out points be the start and end points of whatever section you want to export, and then you rename that whatever you want the video to be called. Press save, press Q, that will go to Adobe Media Encoder. You do the same for every single one of the clips that you want to export. Once you have done this to every single clip, press play in Adobe Media Encoder and it will go ahead and export each one as their own video, and if you made a version that is the whole album or the whole video, it will export that as well, and you'll get that all in a folder afterwards. Hope this is helpful. This has saved me a lot of time and I hope it saves you a lot of time as well.